Manufacturing isn't just about making products anymore. It's about moving them. And in today's market, e-commerce is where decisions happen. But most video content isn't built for manufacturers. It's either too generic or too technical, and it doesn't drive action. That's where industrial media comes in. We create video products specifically tailored for manufacturers, built to showcase complex equipment, highlight real-world applications, and clearly communicate value. Our videos aren't just informative, they're engineered to convert. From product demos that simplify buying decisions to application-driven storytelling that shows your equipment in action. A whiteboard video explaining your product's ability to solve a problem, or an unboxing of your product. Convert your basic press release into an engaging video product. Have a panel of your company's experts tell your story, or send us your product in the mail to produce a 360-degree product breakdown. We help turn interest into clicks and clicks into customers. And because today's buyers don't live in one place, your video works everywhere. On your product pages, in email campaigns, across social media, and on the platforms where your customers are already searching. Industrial media video products aren't just built for manufacturing. They're built to drive e-commerce revenue. Turn your products into performance. Drive more conversions. Start with industrial media video.